Welcome to Nuts and Bolts Before You Call Edition. In this series, we cover little issues that can easily be addressed before you call a technician. Let's get to it. Today is all about the electric dryer. If the dryer isn't functioning properly, there are a few quick and easy solutions you can try to get the appliance back up and running. If your clothes are still wet or damp after a complete cycle, check to see if the vent line is kinked or crushed. If your dryer is not level, it could move during cycles. This movement can kink or crush the vent. If the vent isn't kinked or crushed, you will want to check the inside of your dryer exhaust to see if it's clogged with lint or other debris. It can easily be cleaned with a thin, long-handled brush. Pet shops carry the brushes to clean aquarium tubes if you can't find one at the hardware store. If the vents are not clogged, electric dryers can't work properly if the ambient temperature surrounding the dryer is lower than 45 degrees Fahrenheit. So those of you with garage-located dryers, beware. Dryers fighting against freezing or near freezing temperatures may have a hard time getting clothes warm enough to dry. If the room temperature is adequate, freezing weather and precipitation outside can play a role in things. There have been many instances where the dryer vent louvers freeze shut or ice over, causing them not to open. If the dryer cannot vent, it will cause the dryer to overheat and not dry. If your dryer is sweating, check the ambient humidity around your dryer. Dryers dry your wet clothes by heating them up and tumbling them, promoting evaporation. Evaporation creates moisture in the air, which is channeled out of the dryer through the exhaust vent. However, if the air surrounding the vent is already heavy with the humidity, your dryer air intakes are likely full of humid air as well. This will make it difficult for your clothes to dry. You can use a dehumidifier to remedy this. If you're still encountering issues with your dryer, it could be a sign of an internal problem which may require some disassembly or a professional's diagnosis. But doing a little troubleshooting yourself before you make that repair call can save you time and money. I hope this video helped. Please like and share this knowledge with others and let us know your thoughts in the comments below.